In today's fast-paced world, mental strength is just as important as physical fitness. The ability to stay focused, resilient, and calm in the face of stress is a skill that can be learned, refined, and mastered. For many, mental strength isn't just a trait, it's a practice. The good news is that anyone can develop and strengthen their mental resilience. Whether you're trying to achieve personal goals, improve your work-life balance, or simply enhance your ability to handle stress, mastering mental strength is a game changer. In this guide, we'll walk through a practical 30-day plan designed to boost your mental toughness. From embracing challenges to developing emotional intelligence, you'll learn how to strengthen your mind and transform your life. By the end of these 30 days, you'll be better equipped to handle obstacles and setbacks with poise and confidence. At number 10, we begin with setting clear and achievable goals. Mental strength starts with clarity. One of the reasons people struggle mentally is because they don't have a clear vision or purpose. Setting goals gives your mind a target, something to focus on. Whether it's a big goal like starting a business or a smaller goal like exercising 3 times a week, having clear and specific goals helps direct your thoughts and actions. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps and ensure that every day you're working towards something meaningful. This helps build momentum and provides a sense of accomplishment, which in turn strengthens your mental resilience. Coming in at number 9, we have embracing discomfort. Mental toughness grows when you challenge yourself to step outside your comfort zone. It's easy to stay in a place where things feel safe and predictable, but growth happens when you push yourself to try new things, face fears, and take risks. Whether it's speaking in public, trying a new sport, or confronting difficult conversations, embracing discomfort is a vital part of mental strength. By doing this regularly, you not only build resilience, but you also increase your confidence in your own abilities. The more you face discomfort head-on, the more you learn that you are capable of handling whatever comes your way. At number 8, we focus on learning the art of self-discipline. Self-discipline is the cornerstone of mental toughness. It's what keeps you going, even when motivation fades. It's easy to start a new habit or project when you're feeling inspired, but the real challenge comes when the excitement wears off. That's when self-discipline is needed most. Developing the ability to stick to a plan, even when it's tough, is a key part of mastering mental strength. This can be achieved by setting routines, creating systems that support your goals, and learning to push through moments of resistance. The more disciplined you become, the easier it is to maintain a positive mindset, even when obstacles arise. At number 7, we talk about cultivating emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, EQ, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions, as well as empathize with others. A strong EQ is a critical component of mental strength because it helps you navigate complex social dynamics and handle your emotions during stressful situations. Instead of reacting impulsively to difficult circumstances, emotionally intelligent individuals take a step back, assess their feelings, and respond thoughtfully. Practicing mindfulness and self-reflection can help you increase your EQ. Start by recognizing when you're feeling triggered and taking a moment to pause before reacting. Over time, this will help you handle emotional situations with greater ease. Coming in at number 6, we have building a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. It's the opposite of a fixed mindset, which assumes that people are born with a certain amount of intelligence or talent that they can't change. By adopting a growth mindset, you train your brain to see challenges as opportunities to learn and improve. This mindset fosters resilience because you don't view failure as a defeat, but as a stepping stone to success. To develop a growth mindset, start by reframing setbacks as learning experiences. When you fail, ask yourself, what can I learn from this rather than, why did this happen to me? At number 5, we focus on developing mental clarity. A clear mind is a powerful tool in the pursuit of mental strength. Mental clutter can drain your energy and distract you from what truly matters. To build mental clarity, it's important to declutter both your physical and mental space. This can be achieved by practicing mindfulness, journaling, and eliminating distractions. Take time each day to clear your mind through activities such as meditation, yoga, or even a short walk. Mental clarity helps you make better decisions, think more creatively, and maintain focus on your goals. The clearer your mind, the stronger your ability to face challenges with a calm and collected approach. At number 4, we highlight the importance of resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, adversity, or trauma. It's the inner strength that allows you to recover from challenges and keep going, no matter how hard things get. Building resilience requires you to embrace the idea that setbacks are part of the journey, not a reason to give up. To strengthen your resilience, work on developing coping strategies like mindfulness, deep breathing, and positive self-talk. Every time you face adversity and push through it, you increase your resilience and become stronger mentally. When you build resilience, you realize that nothing is truly impossible. At number 3, we discuss the power of positive thinking. Positive thinking is not about ignoring reality or pretending everything is perfect. Instead, it's about focusing on solutions, seeing challenges as opportunities, and maintaining an optimistic outlook even in difficult times. Positive thinking helps you reframe problems and approach them with a mindset of possibility. It also reduces stress and anxiety by shifting your focus from what you can't control to what you can. Start by replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, stop and ask yourself, what's the positive way to look at this situation? Over time, this will become second nature, and you'll notice your mental strength growing. At number 2, we talk about practicing gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful practices for enhancing mental strength. When you focus on what you're thankful for, it shifts your attention away from negativity and scarcity. Gratitude helps you appreciate the present moment and builds a positive mindset. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. This practice trains your mind to focus on abundance rather than lack. As you practice gratitude regularly, you'll notice your perspective on life shift, and you'll become more mentally resilient in the face of adversity. Gratitude helps you build emotional strength because it reminds you that there's always something to be thankful for, even during difficult times. At number 1, we finish with taking care of your physical health. Your physical health and mental health are closely connected. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters, and helps reduce stress. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and proper sleep are essential components of mental strength. When you take care of your body, you also improve your mind's ability to focus, stay calm, and handle challenges. Exercise in particular is a powerful tool for building mental toughness. Whether it's going for a run, practicing yoga, or lifting weights, physical activity helps you build discipline, perseverance, and resilience. Prioritize your health and you'll find that your mental strength follows suit. By following these steps over the course of 30 days, you'll begin to notice significant changes in your mental toughness. You'll become more resilient, focused, and capable of handling life's challenges with confidence and grace. Remember, mental strength is not something that develops overnight. It's a process that requires consistent practice and dedication. But with the right mindset and approach, you can master it and transform your life. As you continue on your journey to mental strength, don't forget that growth comes from within. The power to change your life is in your hands. Embrace the process, stay consistent, and soon you'll find yourself living with greater clarity, resilience, and peace. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips on personal growth and mental strength. We're here to support you on your journey to becoming the best version of yourself. Stay strong, stay focused, and remember, you've got this.